So for this week, we're working with InDesign. We're going to be creating a simple document. The document we're going to be creating is a A4 size document. So to do that, you can open up InDesign, go File New, or Command N, and choose the orientation that you want. In this case, it's going to be landscape. And when I open up documents in InDesign, I typically create a few layers. I create one for my background, one for shapes and images, and one for text, which I always float on the top. Now you can see in the finished document that's what I've got in here. And just to kind of hide these and break it down for you, I've got my background images, which is one photo that I've copied and flipped, and a black rectangle, which I used with my wireframe tool, just filled it in. And same with the shapes, just shows a nice bright green there, kind of as a header and footer. And then of course I did some more wireframes in my text layer and added text from a Word document that I had previously had. And I adjusted the type of font and the style and the size accordingly. And then of course I have all my course information in here, the title, the date, the location, and the brief outline, the objectives and schedules. So this is what we're going to be working on each week through the 10-week course, breakdown of marks, and then a little bit more course information. Of course, when you're done with this in InDesign, you have to do something with it. In this case, you can export it in a number of ways. I can go Command E to export it as a PDF, or I can go up here to the Publish Online option and give it a title and description and publish it from there. I did mention I was using a Photoshop document here, and you can see it is a composite image. If I just hide my layers, you can see it's broken up from a couple of images and some layer masks, with some blending options. So if you want to learn more about how this piece was put together, or the InDesign piece, certainly comment on it. I'd be more than happy to put in a detailed step-by-step tutorial on both of those.